Let's better understand what business-friendly is. Business-friendly is the middle ground between being too cold, impersonal, and uncaring, and the other extreme of being too familiar. Let's see some examples. First, too cold and impersonal.
Good afternoon, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy.
Hi, Jeremy. I need some help. This is Paige Casper.
Yes?
I need to check on the status of a claim, and we also need to add a new office to our coverage.
Zip code and policy number?
Now that's obviously too cold and impersonal. Let's look at the other extreme, too familiar.
Good afternoon, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy.
Jeremy, I need some help. This is Paige Casper.
All right, Paige. Help is our middle name here. Now, do you want help with your computer, help balancing your checkbook, help carrying in the groceries? What kind of help do you need?
None of those. I just need to check on the status of a claim, and we also need to add a new office to our coverage.
All righty then, Paige, sir. Let's get to work, huh?
Jeremy was a little too familiar. There's a middle ground, and we call that business-friendly. Remember, we want to be friendly, but not over the top. Let's look at Jeremy being business-friendly.
Good afternoon, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy.
Jeremy, I need some help. This is Paige Casper.
Oh, you've called the right place, Miss Casper. How can I help you? What can I do for you?
Thanks. I need to check on the status of a claim, and we also need to add a new office to our coverage.
Excellent. I'll be glad to help you with both those matters, Miss Casper. Let's start with your claim status. The first thing I need is your zip code and policy number, please.
Did you notice how Jeremy was business-friendly? He has a nice personality, and he used it. Paige appreciated both his business friendliness and his confidence. Jeremy made her feel that her needs would be handled. Delivering business-friendly customer service involves a lot more than just using the caller's name. It also includes having a smiling voice, being genuine, being enthusiastic, and offering more than the minimum. In many service situations, it's common to handle repetitive calls where you get the same questions over and over again. Or perhaps you just handle a high volume of customers. Now, they may be quite different, but there are so many calls that toward the end of the day, fatigue sets in and your energy sags. Don't become desensitized. Remember, every call is unique.
Good morning, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy. Good morning, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy. Good afternoon, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy. Good afternoon, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy.
At the end of the day, make sure you don't sound like you're half dead.
Good afternoon, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy.
Unfortunately, becoming desensitized is a common ailment. If your energy level dips, if you sound tired and lacking in enthusiasm, you sound desensitized, like you're bored and don't care. And what could be more unpleasant to the caller? Work to avoid becoming desensitized. Think about professional actors in a Broadway play. Many of them are required to say the same lines over and over, night after night. How would their performances suffer if they became desensitized? Being an effective customer service provider is similar to being a professional actor. When a customer's on the line, you're on stage. The customer's your audience. Work to make yourself a star every time. Each customer interaction is unique. The person on the phone isn't responsible for those tough calls you had earlier in the day, and it's not the caller's fault that it's getting towards the end of your work shift. Business-friendly customer service needs to be uniformly excellent any time of the day.
Good morning, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy. Good afternoon, National Help Desk. This is Jeremy.
The caller has an excellent impression of Jeremy's energy level and enthusiasm, even though it's near the end of his workday. Well done. Remember, every call is unique. We're talking about how to deliver business-friendly customer service. And when you argue with your customer, you're not being business-friendly. Watch this confrontation.